Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today we're going to make a mint julep. So we're going to start out with 8 leaves of mint. Alright, dump them into the glass. This is a cocktail that is built in the glass. We're going to take a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then we're going to take our muddler. And then you're just gonna go ahead and smush all those mint leaves in with the syrup. So we're gonna do 2 ounces straight into the cup. After that, we're gonna go ahead and add our ice. I pre-crushed some ice in a Lewis bag. So all you really need to do is pour it on out into the glass and stir until you feel the glass get a little icy on the outside. Now we're gonna just top things off in a cone-like structure on top of the glass. So we're gonna pour in more crushed ice. And as you're doing this, you're compacting it down. Top it off with a little cone action there. Classic derby drink. We're using a bamboo straw that's reusable. Stick it down into the glass until you hit the bottom. Take it out. Take a little mint sprig. Break it off. Slap it a few times to really get those aromatics going. And then stick it on in where you stuck the straw. And then go ahead right after and stick that straw back in. The last and final step is aromatic bitters. We're going to use Angostura, and we're just going to drop them along the top just to add some extra aromatics. We're going to get a lot of different flavors coming in. So at the beginning, it's going to be a lot sweeter. At the end, it's going to be a little bit more diluted and have more bitters taste. That is a minty boy right there. It is straight up mint and bourbon. You get a little bit of sugar, but as the drink goes on, it's going to change taste a little bit. Caramel and a bit of these nice baking aromatic bitters. This is a porch sipping drink, and it's perfect for the derby because you sip it as you watch the horse race, and it just keeps bringing you more evolutions of flavor as you drink it. Thank you for watching Bar Under the Stairs. I'm Sammy. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know how you make your mint juleps. And long live the Kentucky Derby.